everybody, welcome back to another video where today I am back on Ice Cream Simulator. Where today I am going to be playing, or I am going to let you give me a suggestion in the comments below of what to play in a future episode. So yeah, I will let you do that. But I am still going to have my goal of 100 billion coins. So, I have decided to play, let me say, ooh, that's a nice tower. I will be playing some, Terraportal. Just so I can get some Doom Portal, sorry. Also, I am also going to be trying to level my pet up to 500 levels so that I can do something. It's kind of like a rebirth for my pet. But I need it to be level 500. And that's why I so badly want to get more gems so that I can get better pet food, so that I can get my pet better, better leveling up. Because right now his XP is going up very well, but like, yeah, I want it like every scoop I make, he levels up. That would be so cool. Yeah, I have wild ideas. That probably wouldn't happen. I mean, maybe. But yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna go as far as my gems can go. I'm gonna try 10 million gems and see how much I get. Like, what I can get. See, 150 gems every time you go into the Doom Portal. I love you, Doom Portal. No, I don't. Anyway. So. Honestly, I just love this. Oh! I forgot. I have not finished the one, wait, have I? Yes, I have. So, guys, I finished the second fairy obby. Sorry, it was without you. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not. You have to see what kind of an obby it is by yourself. By going onto Roblox and, playing Ice Cream Simulator. Get about 1 million scoops, and then you can go there. Plus, you need 10 rebirths. So, yeah. I don't think you guys can hear this, music. It's amazing, though. 150 gems! Woo! Okay. I need a better way to get gems. 5 billion? Oh, man. Dude, my thing's going up like crazy right now. Let me think. I'm gonna see what the second, thing gives me. Oh, right! Actually, first, I am going to spin. Spin daily. Done. What will it be? What will it be? Give me some pets. Pet. You want 3 super reapers? Wait. What exactly does that do? You have 3 super rebirths. Trade in your tokens for gems. Gems are used to buy pet food, which will boost stats and increase your gem multiplier. Wait, so I must already have it. Yeah, I've already gotten, like, so many Super Rebirth then. That was horrible. Although it is for noobos. Which I am not. I am a holy scooper. Take that to the face! Ouch. But I somehow cannot do this obby. Stupid obby. There we go. I did it. Now, I am going to try something. So, as you will learn, this has some invisible block over it, and that's how you jump over. Oh. Now I have to do this part again. I hate this little bit, like that part. Huh? I'm getting better at it. At least that's something. Oh, man. But, yeah. So, if you really like this video, just please comment and say, "You're amazing! Play more!" No, seriously, I dare you to do that. That would be hilarious. Plus, it would make me popular. And you guys want me to be popular, right? Watch you guys just say in the comments, "No, we don't like you. We don't even know who you are." That'd be hilarious. Although it'd be kind of annoying. It would be kind of mean. 3 billion. What? I have 24 billion right now. That's 3 billion tokens. I don't really want that. Sorry, thing. Anyway, oh! Wait, I just did that. I was like, hey, maybe I could replay the one map. But I remember I just did that. I'm gonna go out and, let me see. Ranks. When I become a scoop, I need 10 million. 10 million scoops, people! I'm doomed. I'm never gonna get that far. Hey, at least my pet's 127 levels, so. Never mind 128. That's like what I like to see from you. You know, it's supposed to be a Skeletoscoop, but I'm gonna call it Fred. Yeah, Fred. I'm probably not gonna remember that name. So if I don't call it that, don't get angry at me. Anyway. Oh, my ice cream thing's so short. Maybe I should go for, like, I don't think I've done this, though. Yeah, I definitely haven't done the third obby for the sky. Come on! Let me up! Never mind. Oh, I also want to finish the second Sky Island obby. I haven't seen what it gives me. I'm gonna go pretty slow. Okay, never mind. You know what? I'm going to the second obby of this because I'm just getting annoyed. Getting so annoyed. Da 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 da. Anyway, second obby that frustrated me so much. I'm here for you, my precious. Nope. I made it. No! No! I'm so sad, as you could see from the shriek I made. If you could count that as a shriek. I don't know if that would be called a shriek or not. No! Man, I'm doing so bad. Well, once I get into the hang of it, then it will come naturally. Like I said. See, of course. I'm so close. I can't mess it up now. Yes! I made it! Sugarberry flavor. Well, you know what? I beat the 5th one, so I don't even care. Man! Dude! That was only like my 10th try? Not including like if I did a different video on this and failed, then that's not including that. Wait, what? No! Dude! This is hard. Unless those are just not loaded in. That also could be what it is. Ooh, level 32. I'm getting 342 scoops. Now, if you aren't calling me a holy scooper, I don't know what is a holy scooper. I'm proud of what I am. And what I've become. Alright, let me just sell all of this. Dude, maybe I'll just go for, maybe I'll just go for 50 billion at first. And then I can go for 100 billion. I'm gonna try the 4th one. Well, because, like, yes, I did try this before. But then I raged, if you remember the last video. That's probably why. Dude, like, this is seriously hard. Although I probably make it look easy. Although probably not. Why do I say things? That's my question. In life, why do I say things? Because then every single time I say things, the things jinx me. No! Dude, okay, I need to complete this. Anyway, I have 150,000 scoops to hold. No! No! I'm out of here. Take that, world. Anyway. 135. Cool. Exiting. Anyway, guys, sadly, I have run out of time for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!